Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Tuesday the 18th of April 2023, Keynsham today. I bought 5 items in total here. Picked these up. This will be one of those shops, charity shops that gets the ex-Amazon stuff, I think. Get rid of. 4-port USB 3, ultra slim, mobile, HDD, PS4, PS5, yeah, whatever. But I just thought that was a handy little USB adapter. I do have several, but for £1, thought it looked okay. I mean, there can't really be very much in them. That one's actually got an option for a power supply at the back. No details, but I will try that out in a minute. So 2 of them, £1 each. I think there was actually 4 in the box, but I managed to resist buying all 4. Next, a couple more of these clockwork wind up, clip together plastic kits. I've done these before. In fact, I think I did the lion, or my grandson did the lion quite recently, and it failed because he broke a couple of the bits on it, and the motor failed as well. I ended up 3D printing replacement legs. But anyway, at 99p, I find this sort of thing handy to put in the car for something to do when I'm waiting for Nanny. I'm absolutely certain I've done the rhinoceros as well. I think I've done the full set. Panda, lion, rhinoceros, tiger, giraffe, elephant. Did the giraffe fairly recently and it kept falling over. It was top heavy, which is a bit disappointing. Anyway, yep. So 2 of them to go in my stock in the car. And then finally this one. I paid £9.99 for that. I don't normally pay that sort of money for a wooden kit, but it is one of those laser cut ones. And it's solar powered, so it must be motorized. Harbinger, I don't know. I think it's Harbinger. Never mind. Harbinger rover, space hunting, LS402, solar energy, powered by solar energy, no glue, no batteries necessary. Keynsham, I don't expect for 1 minute it's actually a camera, it's just a wooden box. But it does look like it's motorized. I will be going on holiday soon, so I thought this might be an ideal little kit to take with me for those rainy days, and it always rains when you're on holiday. Designed by Robotime, manufacturer Robotime, CNC, Jiangsu Company Limited, China. Material, plywood, solar motor set, recommended age 8+, so I should be okay. Couple of barcodes there for people who want to check. Scan with your transparency app. Wonder if that's assembly instructions or something. But yeah, £9.99, bit more than I like to pay. But as I say, probably an ideal thing to take away on holiday for those rainy days. And there we go. That'll do for the thumbnail.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.